Hello guys and welcome to this new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to stream in your Android device. So let's start. First of all guys, go to Play Store. Omlet. That's it. Omlet Arcade Screen Recorder Live Stream Games. Install it, then when you're done, open it. As you see here, I got 10 XP just for login. You guys use this XP for upgrading your profile. Mask letter. Here is the notification. My level is 13. When you open it, it will ask you for information like your name and your first name, username and last name, etc. Don't forget also to confirm your account, and it will ask you too for choosing games that you will stream in. You can watch the streamers here, as you can see. Anyway guys, to stream you have just to click here and go live. You can choose the game that you want to stream in. For example, let's choose this Call of Duty. And here guys, it will ask you where you want to stream. You can stream in Omlet application, or you can stream in your Facebook account. As you can see, I will stream in Omlet. Now click next. Here you must describe your stream. Let's write our name, for example. Here you can select the overlay. These are for sale, and these are free. You can just watch videos to get them. Or you can buy them if you want. I will click start, and as you can read here, stream is about to start. Just wait. So that's it guys, I really hope that you liked this video. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos, and see you in next video. Goodbye.